Hi everyone, it's Lonnie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to try this product out. This is the Kiss nails. These are in the style long and these were $5. I know tons of people are talking about pressed nails and honestly, I just wanted to see what all the hype was about. These were $5 and yeah, I haven't done my nails in probably 8 years. I just usually let them grow out and then when they break, I just cut everything down. And I normally just typically keep clear on my nails. I don't really do anything fancy or crazy, but I really wanted to give this a shot. I figured $5, why not? So yeah, we're just gonna jump straight into the video. I'm gonna show you what my nails look like right now. So this is without anything on it. I already cut everything down because my nails all recently broke. So I figured this would be a really good opportunity to film this video. And I'm just going to prep my nails with a little bit of alcohol just to make sure that there are no oils. And yeah, we're just gonna jump straight into the video. So this is the kit that we're going to be using. This is from Kiss. This is in style long and these come with 28 nails. So I'm pretty much going to use everything that comes in this kit. So I already prepped my nails with a little bit of alcohol just to make sure that there are no oils so you can see what my nails look like. I cut everything down because they broke the other day. So I figured this would be a perfect time to film this video. Okay, so I'm going to use this little filer that comes with it and I'm just going to run this onto my nails. This is supposed to help the glue adhere a little better. Okay, so I followed down my nails using the little filer that it comes with, and now we're going to open the glue. Lean that against that so it doesn't fall. And then I already set aside all of my nails. I think I'm going to leave the thumbs for last just because I feel like that might be a little bit of a struggle. Okay, so now we are just going to apply the glue to the nails and see how this goes. I got it on my finger. Oh my god. And it says to hold for 5 seconds. Okay, so this is what everything looks like right now. I did mess up and get a little bit of glue and kind of ruin one nail, which was the first one, and that's what that looks like. So now I'm just going to take the nail filer that comes with it and just kind of file this little piece right here. So they all seem like they fit pretty well. The only one that's not perfect is this nail right here. You can see a little bit of the nail, but it's not anything too crazy. And you can obviously see a bunch of glue. This is my first time doing this. So I am going to put a little bit of polish to cover it up. And I picked this polish up from Walgreens. It was 98 cents and I thought the color was just really, really pretty. Fair warning, I'm terrible at polishing my nails. Okay, so this is what the polish looks like. And this is the color. This is from LA Colors Color Glass, and this is in the shade Love. Now I'm going to add a little bit of clear. This is from Beauty Secrets. This is just their base coat. All right, So we are all done. They actually look really good. My polishing is not the greatest, so don't mind that. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I did have a little bit of issues, especially with the first nail. I think I put a little bit too much glue and it just kind of came out from the top and started kind of glued a little bit of my thumb down to the nail, so that was kind of a struggle. And the only other minor issues I had were 2 of the nails don't fit perfectly, so there's a little bit of my natural nail right there peeking out, and right here also it's not much of a big deal, and this one. Other than that, it looks really good. So this is the completed look. I actually really love the way everything turned out. I have no complaints whatsoever. Like I said, there's just a couple of nails that don't fit perfectly, but it's honestly not an issue at all. And the only thing I need to do is kind of just clean up a little bit of the polish where I messed up. And you guys saw that I was having some issues with the very first nail, but that was no one's fault but my own. So that was all me. But yeah, these look really good. I'm really impressed and happy with them. I haven't had long nails in a while, so I'm gonna see how this goes. And yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do other nail videos, if you want me to try out other brands, other affordable brands, and I'll let you guys know what I think. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.